All right, we're staying on the blend line until mid-corner, and we're good. We can track out and start getting the throttle more. Smooth, very good. Coming out to that little patch. That's all right. Just gonna get back to the swing of things. Hug on the outside. We're going to be hugging the outside, and once we see the curb over here, we're turning in. Tracking out, nicely done. From here, this is 1.85. We don't have to get all the way right immediately. I look at the horizon. I look at the horizon, and you kind of intersect right here, which is like the apex of this back straight. So when we get up to 3 up here, I want you to just feel the brakes as hard as you can. Don't worry about shifting. We're just going to go on the brakes as hard as you can and see where we end up. All right. And great. There we go. We're making our way over. All right, so we got plenty of space. So next time we come through, we're going to be doing that at the 2.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yep. Plenty of space.
Really pushing me here, man. Yeah, all right.
Yeah. If you're not comfortable with it, let me know. But I know the car will do it. Okay. Yeah, dude. All right. We'll break it to 3. Same deal. And great. And wait, and turn. Okay. Now we're going to start giving it throttle, feeding throttle gingerly, letting the car track out. We'll get back right. We're turning in nice and smoothly, releasing the throttle, and we're coming up to the patch and turn. And we're starting to apply throttle, using the track. Nicely done. Good job using all the track, not using the curve on the way out. Coming up to it though. And hard brake. All right, we're going track out. We're coming along out here, and then once the curb's right there, we're turning in. And we're giving it throttle, we're using all the track. Nice job. All right, so we're gonna be braking at the 2. I want you to stay full throttle until we're at the 2. It's gonna be a nice transition to the brake, a squeeze, not a stab. All right, so stay in the throttle, stay in it, stay in it. And brake. Harder. There we go. Okay, yeah, you aren't braking as hard as you can.
Okay.
Yeah. When we're braking hard, okay?
Yeah.
It's all right, though. We still had plenty of runoff. We know that it'll do it at the 2.
Yeah.
So go.
Back it up to 3 and
Okay. Yeah, man, we'll do that. Not a problem. All right, sounds good, dude. Same deal as before. We're following the rubbered in line. Stay in the throttle. Brake. Hard. There we go. You see how much space is left. So we'll try that again at the 2. And when I tell you to brake, we're braking hard. We're not... Right. Yeah, you want to try and push that pedal through the firewall. All right. So coming through here will be about half a car width off of the inside right. And then we're coming out along the outside edge. Once we see the curb there, we're turning in. And we're throttling out. Catching the car, feeling it, just a little yaw moment. Very good. Awesome job, dude. You're very smooth with your inputs. Good. That's awesome. So working on Oak Tree again. Half a car width off the right side. And we're riding along the outside gators. Once we see that one, we're turning in.
Oh, that's a good cue. Looks like we kind of see it.
Yep. Those are the visual cues. It's all muscle memory, dude. There we go. We're just kind of drawing a line to the horizon where it kind of curves. And now we're following this rest of the way. We're about a couple feet off the edge. Just in case we hit the brakes and some weird shit happens. Alright, so we're breaking up the 2 now. Hard. And we're following the line. Hard. There we go. Still got tons of space, dude.
Yeah.
You feel comfortable going to the 1.5?
Ooh, that might be scary. Let's do 2 again.
Okay.
Another after that, we can push it.
Not a problem. We'll do it. Doing awesome, man.
Thank you.
All right, so we'll focus on the line. Half car width off, coming to the outside, looking for the side curb, and turning in once we see it. Once it pops into our view, and you see the flag. Good job. Awesome, dude. Nice job, dude. Yeah, man. Not a problem, dude. I'm glad I was able to help.